The Honda Supran, also known as Super One in Japan, is an exciting new compact electric vehicle EV from Honda, previewed as a near-production prototype at the 2025 Japan Mobility Show. It's a fun-to-drive, city-focused micro-hatchback built on the lightweight platform of Honda's Series kei-cars, specifically evolved from the Un-1, widened and tuned for global markets beyond Japan's strict Kei regulations. This small EV aims to deliver agile, responsive handling in a tiny footprint, while adding sporty flair and sensory enhancements to make everyday driving more engaging. It's positioned as Honda's entry-level electric car for urban users, with a focus on affordability, excitement, and practicality. In the UK and possibly other right-hand drive markets, it's badged Supran due to naming conflicts. In Japan and Asia, it's Super One. Design and styling. The Supran has a boxy, aggressively cute look with kei-car proportions stretched for better presence. Compact dimensions approximately 3.4 to 3.5 meters long. Very narrow width originally from Kei. Limits but widened, slightly for markets like the UK. Muscular flared wheel arches. Sporty body kit, low ground clearance. And racy 15-inch alloys. Sharp, grumpy front face with roundish headlights echoing the Honda E. Clear lens tail lamps, shark fin antenna roof spoiler, and red brake calipers. Aggressive bumpers and stance give it rally-inspired vibes despite its tiny size. It's adorable yet feisty, like a mini Civic Type R shrunk for city streets. Interior and technology. The cabin keeps things simple, minimal, and driver-focused to cut costs and weight. Horizontal dashboard layout for clear visibility over the hood. Digital displays, coordinated lighting sequences, and basic but premium-feeling materials. Features like active sound control fake engine, exhaust note, boost mode for simulated multi-gear shifts, and Honda Sensing Safety Suite adaptive cruise, lane assist, emergency braking. Practical for city use, four-seater, easy parking, and urban-friendly size. It's not luxury-focused but prioritizes fun and usability. Powertrain and performance. Pure battery electric with a lightweight platform. Single front motor FWD. Power around 47 to 60 kilowatts, approximately 63 to 80 horsepower base. Higher in performance tunes, approximately 30 kilowatt-hours battery pack estimated, with WLTP range around 180 to 250 miles. Real-world lower due to size. Boost mode increases output for max performance, simulates gear shifts, and adds active sound control for excitement sounds like a turbo Civic Type R. Agile and responsive handling thanks to low weight, approximately 1,300 kilograms. Low center of gravity and revised suspension, some UK tuning. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 10 to 12 seconds, quick enough for city fun. It's not a speed demon but prioritizes nimble, engaging driving in tight spaces. Price in USD equivalent. Pricing is still preliminary and market specific. UK estimate under £25,000 $32,000 USD. Japan. Asia, lower due to K routes. Likely $20,000 $28,000 USD equivalent. No US plans not expected to be homologated for North America. It's aimed at being a budget-friendly entry to EVs, undercutting many rivals. Launch timeline. Prototype unveiled, October 2025 Japan Mobility Show. Earlier concept, Super EV. Concept at Goodwood Festival of Speed, July 2025. Production start, early 2026. Market launch, deliveries, 2026. UK and select markets from mid-2026. Japan first. No wider Europe plans, yet a focus on UK, Japan, and Asia. Why it's exciting. The Supran proves small EVs can be fun and charismatic, not just appliances. It brings kei-car joy light, nimble, efficient to mainstream markets with added safety, tech, and sensory tricks. Boost mode. Fake gear box. It's Honda's way to make affordable electric driving exciting again. Perfect for city commuters. Who want personality without huge costs?